Here's our quick guide to Holyford Woods Local Nature Reserve.
Turn left for a longer walk around Holyford Woods, or turn right to reach the stream.
You can see birds like buzzards, tawny owls, jackdaws in the evening calling.
Find a good spot to take in the views. Views over the Axe Valley, linking the woods to Holyford.
This is my all-time favourite place to go for a night walk. There's 2 or 3 pairs of tawny owls calling, and if you come in the spring and the autumn, you'll have a magical night walk.
There's lots of paths to discover. In the spring, this is a great place to come for wild garlic and to admire the carpet of bluebells. The team are working to promote wildlife in the woods.
We all love the sound of the stream, and Stafford Brook flows through Holyford Woods and ends up down at Seaton Wetlands. It's a haven and well worth coming to.